Here we are, the snow, me and Aaron. We took a walk. It is my anniversary, February 17th, 2021, 25th anniversary. It's been snowing like this for, I don't know, since 6 this morning or so, if not earlier. And it's already like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And it snowed like this on Monday, 2 days ago. And anyway, Aaron and I just took a walk to get out. We're getting a little stir crazy. Tired of the snow, but it is cool, literally. So here we are. Are you behind me, Aaron?
What?
Where are you?
Me.
You behind me? I don't know if you are, but anyway. Say bye, Aaron.
Bye.
Bye. There's our house. In this winter wonderland.